Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Well, today we thought we'd do our final update of the Lost Weekender, which is taking place on the 19th of June at Pipers Heights. And we've got a mate with us as well.
We have, but unfortunately they won't let me keep him. Because they said I've got my own, so I'm not allowed to keep him.
Well, this bear here is one of the raffle prizes, and he's been kindly supplied by Coral Island, which is the amusement company in Blackpool. So with that in mind, what we thought we'd do is we'd update everybody, especially those that are coming, with what's going to take place and also a list of the prizes, so that we can also thank a lot of the companies that have provided them. So here we go. Glasses on. So obviously it's taking place at Pipers Height Caravan Park, which is located in between Lytham and Blackpool. I'll leave the address in the description below. This is in aid of the charity Donna's Dream House, which provides holidays for children with life-limiting illnesses. Now, the raffle, we have an extensive raffle selection of prizes, which I'll go through later. But if you're coming on the Thursday, because we'll be there on Thursday, once you've arrived, we'll be holding a little get-together, won't we?
We are. We're going to be having it on or near our pitch, which is pitch number 34. And we was asking everybody to bring your own poison, a table and chairs, and we're going to provide the nibbles and hopefully a bit of we're the entertainment.
Yeah, we'll have a bit of a chat and get together. So that will be probably about 6:30 p.m. on the Thursday. Okay, so moving on to Friday, Juliet and her team of ladies will be coming round selling raffle tickets for a chance to win some absolutely fabulous prizes. More on that in a moment. There will be a pizza van on site from 3 p.m. At 6:30 there will be a pop quiz, and the prize for this is a cash prize. Now, the more people that join in, the bigger the cash prize. An entry will be £3 per person, and it will be a laugh. It's not a difficult quiz.
No, it's just a bit of fun.
It's just a bit of fun, but it gets us together and we can have a laugh.
It is.
Okay, so on the Saturday, Juliet and her team of ladies again will be out.
It's going to be sick at sight of me.
Yeah, they'll get fed up, and they'll be selling raffle tickets. Me and Colin from Colin's Caravan Capers are going to be judging a few little fun competitions with some little prizes as well. These competitions are Colin's Award for the levelest caravan or motorhome. Second will be the David Bell Award for the neatest curtain pleats. And if you're watching, David, you know exactly what I mean. And finally, the Lost Weekends Award for the tidiest gas locker or garage. Now, if you don't want to take part, when we come round to your pitch, just let us know and we can move on. But Colin will be actually issuing stickers as well. He's had some fantastic stickers made.
Yeah, he's been working hard on this.
Yes. So we'd like to thank Colin from Colin's Caravan Capers, and also to Andy and Gareth of Bold Display / Sign Makers. I'll leave a link to their website. If you ever want stickers making, check them out. They're really good quality. Now, later on, there will be a jacket potato van from 12 p.m. And the jacket potatoes are awesome, apparently.
Yes, they really are. Yeah. Really big as well.
Really big, and plenty of choices of fillings, so well worth a look. There'll be a live band playing in the bar area in the afternoon. And at 6:30, we will be drawing the raffle for all the prizes that I'm going to list in a moment.
Say goodbye to my friend then.
Yes, you'll be saying goodbye to your friend. These are going to be drawn by Lynn and Barbara Curtis, who are the founders of Donna's Dream House. So, here's the list of prizes. First prize is a Falcon wireless magnetic camera system, which we've featured on the channel. A 2-night stay at the Pipers Heights Caravan Park. There are a pair of lightweight chairs from Telter Awnings. There's a lovely espresso coffee machine, and it comes with biscuits and coffee and all sorts. It's awesome. I wouldn't mind winning that myself.
I've been looking at that.
There are a set of collapsed waste pipes, a Caravan Magic cleaning bundle to keep your caravan or your motorhome tip-top, an Edinburgh wool blanket, really good quality them, aren't they?
Yeah, they are. So that's what Michael and Carol picked up for us, didn't they?
Yeah, they did. A badminton set, 3 bespoke caravan mats, which Juliet's made with a caravan picture on them, a body towel, and there's a lot more individual little small prizes as well.
Yes, I picked up recently a VW picnic rug as well.
Yep, so we've got plenty of things to give away. The tickets are going to be £1 each.
Yes, it will be cash for the raffle tickets and also cash for the, obviously being the cash prize, for the pop quiz. But we just to remind everybody, the bar is actually card only.
Yes. Well, we hope to see you there. There are a couple of slots still left, aren't there?
Yes, I think sadly somebody's had to drop out of the adults only side, so there is one spot on there, and I think there's a few others left on the family side. So there's still time if you want to see if there's any availability and come and join us. We'd love to see you.
Yeah, we would. It'd be great. And I've also booked some good weather, so hopefully it'll be really nice on the day. Well, thank you very much for watching. Thank you to all the people that kindly gave us donations for prizes for this raffle.
Yes, we much appreciate it.
It's really much appreciated from them all. It really do help out, and they were really good sports. Now, thank you to you for watching as well, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.
Bye.